Welcome to another episode of Asking Questions. Today we have a question from a BTech engineer, a mechanical engineer, who wants to know where is the Indian job market for mechanical engineers heading and what roles, skills or jobs they should be looking for. So here we are. Remember, before answering your question, our team goes through proper research. They contact different people in the same field in order to know what exactly is the scenario in the market, and we also consider specific online resources that are trustworthy. The Indian job market for mechanical engineers is undergoing significant transformation due to technological advancements and the shifting demands of industries. While traditional roles exist, there are emerging opportunities in EVs, particularly in areas like powertrain design and development, battery technology, chassis and suspension, thermal management, energy regeneration system, and vehicle aerodynamics. Companies are increasingly focusing on automation and quality control processes, reducing the need for manual labor. Besides, fresh graduates are seeking roles with more design, development, or problem-solving aspects compared to routine tasks in traditional roles. Here are a few job roles that you might look forward to for high growth potential. You could also consider pursuing a master's degree or certification in areas like aerospace engineering, robotics and automation, additive manufacturing, 3D printing that is, renewable energy, mechatronics. The technical skills that you should be focusing on are data analysis tools, softwares like CAD, project management tools, basic programming skills, proficiency in software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks,